Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover an important and new NMC OSCE clinical station with a complete exam scenario along with the ready-to-use script that you can follow step by step during your OSCE. We will also cover how to measure correctly, select the right size, apply the stocking safely, and what examiners are looking for to give you full marks. So make sure you watch till the end because this will really help you feel confident for your exam. Alright, let's see the scenario. You are a nurse in a hospital ward. Your patient requests compression stocking post-surgery. You must measure their legs correctly, select the appropriate size, educate them, and document everything according to professional standard. Hello, good morning. My name is Sarah. I'm the one of the registered nurse here. Would it be alright, can I check your wristband? What's your full name, please? And date of birth? And your address. Your hospital number is 123456. Today I will be measuring and fitting compression stocking for you. I will explain each step and ensure you are comfortable throughout the procedure. Is it alright if I proceed? First, I will clean my hands to maintain infection control. If you are able, I would like to assist you to stand to take accurate measurements. If not, we can measure while you are sitting or lying down. I will now measure your legs to ensure the stocking fit correctly. I will measure the circumference at your ankles, at your cuff, and at your thigh. The length from your heel to the knee or thigh as needed. I will now document these measurements on your patient chart and select the correct size of stocking according to the manufacturer's guidelines. I'm signing the patient measurement sheet to confirm that measurements have been taken accurately and the correct size has been selected. Here are some important tips for wearing your compression stocking. Wear them as advised, usually during the day. Remove them at nights unless instructed. Check your skin daily for redness, swelling, or discomfort. Wash stocking regularly and let them air dry. Don't fold and roll the stocking when putting them on, as this can reduce effectiveness. I will now dispose of any used equipment safely and clean my hands again to maintain hygiene. I ensure to act professionally throughout this procedure in accordance with NMC professional standard for nurses and midwives. This completes the procedure. Thank you for your support, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Are you comfortable at the moment? I have to go. If you need me for anything else, please press this call button. Thank you.